friends, this is me, your Shweta. Today in this video we are going to unbox the chocolates. Yum yum yum. Chocolates are my favorite. Just let me open the chocolates. This is this is family chocolates. Oh, this is so nice, and this is my favorite. This is done by the ITC. Just let me open the chocolates. 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 So nice, kada. This is mini chocolates. Yeah, this is best. Actually, this is very best, I can say. This we have so many chocolates. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. We have the 12 chocolates here. Here we have the flavors in the chocolates. What are the types of the chocolates? I think this must be the milk chocolate. Can you see the milk chocolate? Yes, this is milk chocolate. I love milk chocolates. And we have the other different chocolate. This is the milk chocolate, and this is composite chocolate. Where is the composite chocolate? Yeah, this is a composite chocolate. This is the French dessert chocolate. This is not composite chocolate, and this is the French dessert chocolate. This is milk and ruby. See, this is milk and ruby chocolate. Yes. Yeah, they have 3 types of chocolates in this. Just let me open. Yeah, this is vegetarian chocolates. You can eat vegetables. Yes, you can of course eat. This is French dessert inspired layered bar. Wow, this is so yum, kada. It looks like a diamond shape. It gives the diamond shape, na? Just let me eat. Yes, of course I really want to eat. This is so yummy. And which chocolate we will open? Shall we open the milk and ruby? Yes. This is the pinkish color inside. My baby wants this, the only pink color she likes. Yeah, she always says, Mama, I want only pink color chocolate. Yes, this is the pink color. Just try it, family. You will love it. And we have few more chocolates here. Cadbury, Choco Bakes. Yeah, just let me open. Oh my god. Ta-da! Can you see, girls and boys? Okay, just let me unbox. Wow, this is so nice. Cadbury Choco Bakes. Wow, this is 10 rupees, and this is so nice. Just let me open. If you keep it in my mouth, it just melts. This is so soft also, and you can feel the real chocolate. Cadbury is the best in the market, kada. You know Cadbury is the best in the market. See, look at this chocolate. Wow, this is so nice. It looks so puffy. This is it. Look, just this is so puffy. Yes, of course you can eat this chocolate as well as. Yes, this is also vegetarian chocolate. Yes, we have one chocolate, and 2 3 4 5 6. Oh my god, so many chocolates and so much of fun. Okay, now look at these chocolates. Okay, my balcony is full of chocolates. Okay, thank you for watching video. Please like, subscribe and share. This is your Shweta always. Bye bye.